Good day to you. Welcome back to the channel. Well, my old Polaris 1990 is sick again. Well, I mean, being sick, I replaced the strap in front a couple years ago, or last year or 2 years ago, and look, she broke. Piece of rubber crap. No canvas in it whatsoever, just a piece of rubber. So I gotta find something to work. But in the process, when that broke, it sheared the bolt, the head right off, and it all belonged the hole again, all the JB weld I put in there from that breaking. And in the process, on this side, if I can get over here, on this side, I did the same thing. It all belonged the hole, and it's ready to pull through. So that's what my clunky noise was for the past few days when I was driving it. So the first day I drove it, that so-called strap is supposed to keep your slide suspension in a tight position and not drag these against track, has broke. So I need to find something, not pure rubber, but has canvas through it. Fix that, and plus get the slide suspension out again, and fix the holes, and hopefully get the bolt back out. I don't know if they're metal or what, but if I can wall the bolt off it and twist it out, that should be okay. But yeah, she's in the garage, staying here. Yep, don't know if I should fix it or put a for sale on the side on it for perks, because it's got a brand new track on it. That's a brand new track that I got from Roll Distributors, and I've done a lot of work to this thing. Put new mirrors on it last year. I don't know. Right now she's dripping. I was driving it today, like I said, and she's making a clunky noise. Took Sarah on it. She went on it. Tire weight, and it's getting worse and worse. I said, "What is that?" And she's vibrating. Now I know why. That. So there's the other wheel. Took off. Right there. I should take this wheel off and see how bad that is. I'll go get my toolbox and I'll be right back. Well, I got the wheel off, boogie wheel, and you can see it better now. Sort of. What's it look like in here? Oh yeah. It's all blocking the hole down far. She cut back in the way she was before. And it's ready to pop out. Sort of, anyway. Yeah, when that broke there. Put tension on this. Full tension. And weak was being JB weld in there. Should be aluminum weld, but I don't have that. Yeah, so it's in here for a while. I don't know, I might work on it tomorrow, take the suspension out while she's dripping. It's gonna be this week coming up. Temperature's gonna go up to +8, so I'll probably be out here working on this. It's gonna rain either Thursday or Friday, so the snow's gonna go disappear. I still got this to drive on. Try to get this thing started with the battery hooked up to the truck when I turn over. So I flipped the lever in there, up, pulled on it, damn thing started. So that's a plus, have the pull cord on this to get started. So anyway, that's what happens when you're working with old machines. So that's about it. do updates on this, let you know how it works, what's going on with it, and what process I'm going to be having trying to get this out in here. I have to pull this stuff out of the way, the snow blower and the four-wheeler, put it on the side. So while it's in the garage, I'm going to have to get some boards, put underneath the skis to protect the skis so I don't want them to rust. Well, the plastic won't, but the runners are. The runners are made of the steel I made. That's another story I had to do a few years back when I got this. I had to make my own runners because I couldn't get runners for it. So I made my own. Alrighty, that's about it. Check you later.